Show me life, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. Show me life, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love, show me love. This is all we got. Show me.
Hi guys, we are on our way to the car wash to get the outside of this vehicle cleaned. It is super gross. Haven is excited. Havy, look. Say hi. Going for a road trip?
Is this our first car wash?
No. Super excited. Our car wash is actually doing a really cute little thing where today and tomorrow, I believe, you get to bring your dog for a free car wash. So Havy's super excited. She's up for a ride any day of the week. She's hoping to see some doggy friends over here.
Hey, is it doggy day today? It is.
Havy, you're so excited.
Thank you.
Find a light when it rains. Oh, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love. Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. Show me life, show me love. Make a change, time is up.
She likes it, Dad.
Definitely confused.
Won't come. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me love.
I think she would probably be freaking out if we weren't with her on the.
Yeah, I think so too.
She's on the birds, I think.
Haven, are you freaking out right now? Or do you think this is fun?
Wait till she hears the dryer.
This is all we got. Show me
On our way to pick up some lunch and then get this little girl home. Hey, did you have the best time at the car wash?
I think it was a success. She seems pretty excited right now.
Yeah. Hey, were you more excited for the car wash or for lunch?
Probably lunch.
Are you waiting for Dad? Are we waiting for Dad to bring the food? Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed that little clip of us going to the car wash with Haven. She is so sweet. She loves going for car rides. So anyways, as you can see, I'm sure from the title of this video, we're going to be cleaning out my disgusting Jeep today. This thing was well due for a good cleaning. I'm by no means a professional. This is definitely not a detail or anything like that, but it looks a whole lot better in the end than it does right now. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, welcome. I'm so glad that you are here. We have the best little community. I've been doing this less than 2 months, and you guys have shown me so much love already. I feel like we really have a good, solid base already to build our little channel on. We're going to be doing everything holiday related. We've gotten some fall decorating and some shop with me's up, and we're definitely going to be doing some Halloween, Christmas. All the fun things are coming up on this channel, so I hope that you stick around. I do pretty well with my vehicle as far as like keeping things out of it, like, you know, a lot of trash and things like that. That's not really ever been an issue for me. As I say that as I'm picking out a Kleenex right there, or a napkin. But I definitely could do a little more dusting and definitely could do some more vacuuming whenever it comes to my vehicle. Has anyone ever used this car goop? I don't really know what better way to say it. It may even say on this container, but I can't tell what it says. But anyways, has anyone ever used this? Comment down below if you have. I actually put this in linen stocking last year, and I'm stealing it and using it in this video today. We had never opened it or anything, but it actually did really well. The goop, it's kind of got like a wet consistency. I guess that's why it picks up so well. But yeah, you'll see some clips of me using that here.
When I look at you like that, you lose it completely. Losing track of space and time. I don't wanna go home looking for a reason to stay here all night. I wonder, do you feel it too? Magic between me and you, the way that you make me feel. You wonder if I feel the same, the blood's rushing through your veins. And then when I say your name, bet I'm everything you see. Bet I'm everything you need. We're high on this feeling, don't wanna come down. Just go on and tell me, get into my eyes. I'm everything you need. You need. I'm everything you need. You usually don't share any secrets. Suddenly you're an open book. When I struggle to find the words, you get me completely. It's like I've known you forever, so I wonder, do you feel it too? Magic between me and you, the way that you make me feel. You wonder if I feel the same, the blood's rushing through your veins. And then when I say your name, bet I'm everything you see.
Her door over here, I don't know what's going on with it. It's peeling or something. It's been like that for a while, but hey, she gets me from point A to point B. She's wonderful as far as I'm concerned. Now we're going to be moving on to using some cleaning wipes on the interior here. As good as the goop is, it doesn't do quite as good as some nitty gritty scrubbing. So that's what we're going to do next.
You need. I'm everything you need. I'm everything you need. Need. You need. I'm everything you need. Bet I'm everything you see. Bet I'm everything you need. We're high on this feeling, don't wanna come down. Just go on and tell me, get into my eyes. I'm everything you see. Bet I'm everything you need. We're high on this feeling, don't wanna come down. Just go on and tell me, get into my eyes. I'm everything you need. You need. I'm everything you need. I'm everything you need. Tell him no. Tell him no. You've been trying to cater to all the needs. You've been feeling guilty for so long. Maybe they're not friends, they are enemies. Don't you tell them yes, tell them get lost. 'Cause every time you go and ask for help, they say sorry, but I'm busy. So you end up doing it yourself. Ooh, hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it. It ain't worth it, and you won't miss it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no. They don't have respect for your boundaries. Girl, you hit too close to the edge now. Only thing they got is toxicity. Think you need a cleanse, clear it out. You got their backs, but they ain't got yours. You've done enough, but they still want more. You've been a good friend down to the core. Oh, hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no. Hold up, baby, don't
my husband was like, why did you use the goop for all of that dust in those like cup holders? He was like, why didn't you take a wipe to it first and then do that to it afterwards? But I was like, you don't get the same effect. Look how satisfying this is.
It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it. It ain't worth it, you won't miss it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it. It ain't worth it, you won't miss it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no.
I was knocked down, heard the countdown through the haze in the face of defeat, yeah.
Oh, the inevitable happened. I cannot believe I dropped that goop in all of the gravel in our driveway. I'm not gonna lie, that took me a good bit to get all of the gravel out of that goop, but I did do it.
All the odds were against me, so I picked up the pace, and now I'm in the race. Give me some space. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet, won't take no. You should know, no, no, no. I'm about to explode. So I've been told that I should fold and give in. I can't win in this game, no. But you can hear me laughing. I'm the new thing in this field. You should kneel instead of me now. Yeah, I rose up from the dead. Your words inside my head. All the odds were against me. But now I lead ahead with grace. I'm winning this race. Give me some space. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet, won't take no. You should know, no, no, no. I'm about to explode. I ain't asking for permission, no. I don't have to say I'm sorry. I ain't staying.
Now we're moving on to the really satisfying part, which is the vacuuming. The shop vac does so good on this part. The suction is way better than any vacuum that I've ever used at a car wash or something like that. So highly recommend using the shop vac if you have one for vacuuming your vehicle.
You should know, no, no, no. I'm about to explode.
Tell me if you are like this, but whenever my car is, all fresh and clean, I feel like I don't want to sit in it. I don't want to put a shoe in it. I want to put bags around my feet whenever I get in the vehicle. Like, I do not want to crumb nothing anywhere because you work so hard on getting it clean. And it doesn't take long to get messed up again, but it does feel good while it is clean. thought I had everything picked up, but I almost vacuumed up a ink pen in my shop vac. It's so funny because I ended up finding another one in the back seat. I'm like, what was I doing? Why do I have so many ink pens in here?
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah. It's a new day for a high. Yeah. It's a new day for good times.
I don't know about you guys, but I am so ready for fall. The weather today, the heat was just unbearable. It was so hard to even clean my vehicle out this day. But yeah, I'm so ready for the cool weather and for all things fall. It seems like I always try to give my car a pretty good deep clean before fall. I don't know. It just makes me feel like I'm ready and, just ready to take on a new season. In the back seat here, we do have this little seat cover thing that we like to use for Haven. So she doesn't really shed. There is some fur that you'll see on the back of the seat right there, but she doesn't really shed. But we still like to put that up on our seat to protect it because she was kind of getting some little spots on it from her paws and stuff whenever we go out. Like if there was rain or something, then it would get on her paws and, she'd step in stuff and get it on the seat. But that's pretty much why we use it. But it does help protect, the integrity of the seat. In the bottom left over there, you'll kind of see some little specks that are on the seat. That is actually from the backing on that seat cover. It had some rubber on the back of it, I guess like to keep the mat from sliding around. It has that. So right there you can see me vacuuming up. That was pretty satisfying for me to vacuum because there was so much of it. And I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't know this seat ever, did that. That's the first time I had peeled it off the seats there to clean it. So yeah, I don't know. I don't like that it does that, but I don't know.
Want to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene.
I really need to invest in some of those floor mats that are customized for your vehicle, like the rubbery ones. And I do say invest because have you ever seen the prices on those? They are expensive.
Super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I of yesterdays, but I'm gonna hold it together. This ain't forever. Need a shot and then a beat, somewhere to let out some steam. I'm not the one to say never, never say never. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. Am I gonna need that song? Hit it.
I wanted to quickly vacuum out my little trunk organizer. Yes, that is a Christmas gift wrapped that is still in my vehicle. I had wrapped and I never did get to give it to this person last year. So the bow on it was wrapped in, or the bow in it was glitter, and it was everywhere. I don't know why it took me so long to get it out, but hey, it's out now.
Come, come, come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. Am I gonna need that song? Hit it.
Isn't this the good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smart.
I'm using the glass cleaner from Grove. This stuff works really well on, windows, mirrors, all that good stuff.
It's round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Can play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beach's sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Isn't it a big crime to get a little lost in everybody's business? Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On it goes.
I'm sure there are a million little tiny crevices that I could have cleaned even more, but man, it feels so good to have a clean car. Just being able to get in the next time that you go for a ride somewhere, it just feels nice. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it gave you lots of motivation to get your vehicle cleaned. It's always hardest getting started, but once you get going, it doesn't take too awfully long. Thank you so much for clicking on my video and for watching this and supporting me. It means the world to me. I would really appreciate it if you could like this video, comment down below, be sure to hit the bell to get notified every time I make an upload. That way you don't miss out on a community post or, an actual video, that sort of thing. Be sure to subscribe before you leave, and I hope you all have the best day ever. I will see you guys next time.
The good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering her face.